Good morning, my lovely children. Hope you all are fine and enjoying learning from home. This is Tuli from Little Angels Junior Wing. So, children, are you getting bored? If yes, I have a very interesting video for you all. Dear children, do you know even the birds and animals have their own way of talking and communicating with each other? So, do you want to listen different sound of animals? Yes? So let's visit a dense jungle and explore various different sounds of animals. Elephant. Children, this is an elephant, the largest land animal on earth. So, what does an elephant say? Trumpet, trumpet, says all day. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey lives on trees. So, what sound a monkey makes? Yes, what do you hear? Chatter, chatter. Bird. Birds have feathers, wings and are warm-blooded. So tell me, children, what does bird says? Yes, chirp, chirp, says all day. Snake. Children, do you know snakes smell with their tongue and have internal ear? So what does snake sound? Right, hiss, hiss, says all day. Pigeon. The strange fact about pigeon is pigeon has an ability to return home from a strange location. So, what do you hear? Coo, coo. Now moving on to the next bird. Yes, this is crow. Crows are blackbirds known for its intelligence and adaptability. So any idea what does crow say? Cow, cow. Says it all day. So harsh and loud they make noise, isn't it? And owl. Owl is a night bird. They are the only species that hunt at night. Hoots, hoots, it says all night. Now moving towards a very dangerous animal. Yes, it's wolf. So, what sound does a wolf make? Yes, howl, howl. Wasn't that scary? Sheep. Sheep are raised on farms for their wool, meat and milk. So do you know, children, what sound that sheep makes? Right, sheep bleats. So cute and funny, is it? Yay, super! You all learned well. So cheer for yourself and keep practicing at home. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.